पाकिस्तान ने भारत को हर महाज पर शिकस्त दी थी। फ्रांसीसी माहिर सियासियात क्रिस्टोफ जाफरलॉट ने भारत की नाकामी को बेनकाब कर दिया। फ्रांसीसी तजजियाकार के मुताबिक पाकिस्तान को कम समझने की गलती भारत को बहुत महंगी पड़ी। चीनी हथियारों ने जंग का पासा पलट दिया। पाकिस्तान की तैयारी भी शानदार थी।
This war is a victory for Pakistan because the equipment came from China and did well. It was probably for the first time that we see Chinese jets that effective. Pakistan is well equipped, well supported by China. It has been, to my mind, underreported in the Indian media, and that is a long-term impact that will necessarily affect India's domestic politics. Imagination of Pakistan that we see in India needs to be taken care of. This is a country that has nuclear weapons, that is supported by China. So if I say that, it's because there is one dimension that we have not touched upon yet that worries me a lot, and that is the Indus Treaty. Use water as a weapon. That is very dangerous.